Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to play multiplayer in World of Warships. First, launch the game and go to the port screen. Make sure you have a ship selected. And multiplayer battles unlock once you complete the tutorial or your first few beginner battles. So if you click combat missions, if you click new access level, you can see here that we can unlock multiplayer battles as we progress through the game. And then once you have unlocked different types of game modes, at the top of the screen, click on the battle type right here, which is next to the battle button. And here you can choose random battles, co-op battles. I haven't unlocked it yet, but you could also choose ranked battles or brawl or operations. After selecting the game mode that you want, click on the battle button and you'll be matched with real players from your server and loaded into a match automatically. If you want to play with friends, create a division right here and then you can invite up to 2 friends. You can also queue together in the same battle once you're in the same division. And during the match, work with your team, capture objectives, communicate using quick commands and chat, and once the battle ends, you'll earn credits, XP, and progress towards unlocking new ships. And that's it. That is how to play multiplayer in World of Warships.